IKEA now.
Yeah. And now we're gonna buy many stuff. I'm gonna buy some bullshit to my house. And my people gonna look at me and think, what? And now we're gonna go in the bus. We're gonna go to the bus. And then I'm gonna find somebody and tell him a joke and tell him, what is the weirdest thing you have done in your whole fucking life? And then they're gonna say, shut the fuck up, sit down on the sofa. I don't want to talk to you, okay? Okay, that's gonna happen in the bus soon. Then just wait, okay? Just wait. We're gonna... Now we're in the bus. Hello. Look at Lisa.
Hello. We look at the crashes.
Now we're gonna go out from the bus.
Let's go.
Mother is coming. Now we're outside from the bus. Now we're gonna go and buy the stuff. My people is waiting. I'm waiting on my people. We are on the camera. Don't say bad stuff. Always in the camera today.
Dang it!
Yeah. Now we're gonna go. We are coming. Lisa, mommy. You are talking bullshit behind my back. Why? Okay, guys. I have a question to you guys. If there's gonna be a name on a party place, which name do you guys want to name it in your imagination?
Chill out.
Yeah? What about you, Mama? A party place, you know? If you're gonna say to Mommy, you're gonna get a party place, but you need to name it. You're gonna give it a name. I don't know, it's very good party place. The name, party, don't know, and chill out.
She's a paradise.
Okay.
She's a paradise.
I know, but I think I do a joke, you know.
Oh.
Because you didn't know. Yeah.
A joke.
Woo!
I'm confused.
Now we have two out party place. The one is I don't know, it's the name on the party place to Mother, and Lisa's is chill out.
Chill out, Maria.
Woo! My people. We are soon going to the display. Like the movie, you know, the Jennifer Lopez, they one dude filming them all the time. Oh. I'm the dude who filming Mama and Lisa all day.
You're filming yourself now.
Oh. Oh. Here was the maybe he bitch Justin Bieber gonna come here. Just maybe. The little bitch. Kidding. Just joking around. Okay, guys, I have a question.
Ask me anything.
If you can give a super power to all the people in the country, what will you give them? If you are God.
Them the power of speed.
Woo! Mother said she wants the power to everybody in the country to be
Kindness.
kindness. Yeah. And I want everybody to shut the fuck up. It's my power to them because everybody's a bitch. Woo! Lisa too.
Hello, Maria. I'm going to go toilet. I don't think they want to see this.
They want to say your thing. Okay.
Let's
I need to buy a pillow because my pillow sucks. And Lisa is doing the same. Some places. Now I need to go because she's yelling at me. Wait. I'm coming! Hello guys. Filmer jeg egentlig? Ja, det er det. Det er for stor kamera da. Så da kan jeg sende den til deg som liten. No? Ok. If you can have a choice, I'll be a best friend with a superhero. Which are yours? Mine need to be Deadpool. Do it again. I was asking.
Fight in the IKEA now.
Yeah. Fighting now. Fight night. Here is the fight. You guys think you did in the IKEA. No, they just want to find something. Oh, they were more not so expensive. Tina, take one. I'm gonna help you. Fargamara is maybe empty. It looked like this is empty because it was here, you know. There, it's empty. I'm sorry, mother. That's suck. No, Lisa gonna kill me. Mirror, mirror for the place. Who is the most beautiful person? It's me.
That was the fight.
So that was the fight on IKEA. Yes, it's Ulysses and me just fighting all day. Of course we did. Now we are done today. Now we are done and now we're gonna sleep in this IKEA place. Thank you all for watching with me and Lisa and Mommy on IKEA party time.
Party?
Yeah. I'm gonna show you the food if you're gonna eat here. You wanna eat here?
Yes.
I'm gonna show the food and remember to subscribe and hit the bell.
Men är det gott här då?
Yes. There's some good food here, I promise you. And then I'm lying, then I'm gonna get smacked in the pong.
Lying best.
See you the next time.